State and prove Cauchy's integral theorem. Cauchy's integral theorem. Statement for this theorem is if f of z is a regular function and if f dash of z is continuous at each point within and on a closed counter C, then closed integral f of z dz equal to 0. Now we see that one of the important major point given in this statement is f of z is continuous. That means f of z, f dash of z is continuous means f of z is differentiable at each point, and f of z is analytic. If f of z analytic means it satisfies CR equations. CR equations means Cauchy-Riemann equations. Dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. These two equations are called as CR equations. I am already uploaded analytic, what is analytic function, and CR equations. Now let's see the proof for this theorem. Proof for this theorem is integral C f of z dz. This taken as equation number 1. We know that f of z, f of z equal to u plus iv, and we also know that z is equal to x plus iy, and differentiate this, we get dz is equal to dx plus I dy. Substitute these two equations in equation number 1, we get closed integral C, f of z is u plus iv and dz is dx plus I dy. Integral C u dx plus u dy plus iv dx and I plus iv, I into I is I square value is minus 1 v dy. Now we separate real part one side and imaginary part one side. We get integral C u dx minus v dy plus integral C taken as common u v dx plus u dy. Now we also know that Green's theorem. Green's theorem in closed integral C p dx plus q dy equal to double integral over surface S dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dx dy. This theorem is called as Green's theorem. This is the very important theorem in integral calculus. Now we compare this equation. You see that here p is equal to u and here q is equal to minus v, and here p is equal to v and q is equal to u. Now this equation becomes double integral over surface S. Here dou q by dou x, here q is minus v, means minus common minus dou v by dou x minus already given minus p is equal to u, means dou u by dou y into dx dy my plus double integral over surface s. I already there. V here V is P is V and Q is equal to U. Dou U by dou x minus here P is V. Dou V by dou y dx dy. We know that from CR equations dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. These two equations are very important. Now see that here in place of dou u by dou y we substitute minus dou v by dou x, and in place of dou u by dou x we substitute dou v by dou y. What we get? Double integral over surface s minus dou v by dou x in place minus as it is. In place of dou u by dou y we replace minus dou v by dou x dx dy plus I double integral over surface s. In place of dou u by dou x we replace dou v by dou y minus dou v by dou y dx dy. Double integral over surface s minus dou v by dou x minus into minus plus dou v by dou x dx dy plus I double integral s dou v by dou y minus dou v by dou y dx dy. Now you see that these cancel, this cancel, we finally get 0. Therefore closure integral s f of z dz equal to 0. Therefore hence the theorem.